My name's Ryland. I'm a 7-year-old. Don't be fooled by the jacket. Most people think I'm a 9 or 8-year-old. Do you like my t-shirt? I'm going to give you a few seconds to read it if you want to. Okay. I've got that t-shirt on because I like mixing Rubik's Cubes up, solving them blindfolded, mixing them up, solving them in 1 second, and throwing them under the leg and catching them solved. Alright, I've got a picture of Rubik's Cube. Most people think that I cheat on the other side because there's a solved one on the other side and I only show one side. No, that's wrong. And it's an empty bag. Right, I'm going to solve this cube in less than 5 seconds on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get my dad to mix up this Rubik's Cube.
Okay. How much do you want me to mix it?
Until you think it's really mixed up.
It looks mixed up to me. Happy?
Okay. I'm going to solve this cube in less than 5 seconds on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I've got to be honest, I was cheating. There's another cube in the bag. This is the cube you mixed up. This one was already in the bag. I'm going to mix this cube up. It's mixed up, definitely. Done. Most people think, why has he said done? I've said done because all of the sides match. Side number 1 matches. Side number 2 matches. Side number 3 matches. Side number 4 matches. The top, side number 5, matches. The bottom, all 6 sides, thank you very much. Now, I'm going to try and solve this cube behind my back in less than 5 seconds on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, I'm already done. Right, I'm going to mix up this Rubik's Cube and catch it behind my leg solved. Like I said earlier, I like doing it. Right, whenever you want to, say go.
Go.
Solved. Now, you probably want to see what I was doing behind my back earlier. I was mixing it up. The more you mix up a Rubik's Cube, the more harder it is to solve. I'm going to try and solve this Rubik's Cube in less than 1 second. And the count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Solved.